Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Wisdom and welcome to another simple but useful tutorial on this channel. And today I'm going to show you how you can reset your Windows operating PC. So let's start the video. First of all, go to your search option here, click the search option. Now here type reset this PC and this is the option reset this PC. Now click it here. And after that, you can see this page, the recovery page, and under the recovery, you can see reset this PC and just click this option, get started. And then this window will pop up. Here you can see the two options, keep my files and remove everything. The first option means remove application and settings, but keep your personal files. That is, if you select the first option, all the files on your C drives and D drives like your documents, downloads, music, and everything will be secured, but your application will be deleted. But if you select the second option, everything removes, all your personal files, application, and settings will be removed. But for this video, I'm gonna just select the keep my files option, the first option. But if you want to remove everything, you can select this one. But I'm going to select this one. Just select this one. And after that, you can see two options. The first option is cloud download and the second option is local reinstall. That means if you select the cloud download, it will reinstall your Windows from the internet. So you have to connect your PCs to your internet. But if you select the second option, the reinstall Windows it will reinstall Windows from your devices locally. You can select any of them, but the second option will be better. I'm going to choose the second option here. And after that, keep these things as it is and select next. And it will take a few seconds to process all these things. And now, as you can see, the PC is ready to reset. You can see all of this instruction, and before you reset the PC, you can read them. And after that, just click the reset button here, and your PC will restart a couple of times. So you don't have to be worried. Just be patient, and your PC will automatically restart. So this is the video, and I hope this video helps you. And if this video does help you, please consider subscribing to this channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.